Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to volunteer using the National Trust application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then tap on the more icon down below, which is indicated by 3 dots. And then click on the volunteer option, that's the third one. Here you can read a small introduction about the about this volunteer job or activity. Then if you would like to apply for it, just tap on the volunteer with us button down below. Now you will be directed to the website of the National Trust. Here you can get to know to this opportunity. Then you can choose from several categories, such as find a volunteer opportunity, ways to volunteer, why volunteer, supporter groups. If you scroll down, you can search for the volunteer roles and see what's on offer by tapping on this button. Here you will be able to enter your location, and after that you can start the process of applying for a position. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.